How to fix a Bluetooth device showing voice or music only on Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So to solve this Bluetooth headphones connected issue, first of all on the search button you have to type in services. Once this is open, you will have to find Bluetooth Audio Gateway Services. Double click on it and the status type or startup type, click on automatic. Once that is done, you can stop it and start it again and click on apply. You have to repeat the same process for Bluetooth support service as well. Once you have done so, your issue shall be fixed. However, if it is still creating an issue, the other way is to update the driver. For that, click on Device Manager, and when you get to see the Bluetooth option, click on the drop-down menu, right-click on the adapter and click on Update Driver. You can either select the automatic update or you can browse the computer for drivers as well. So this was all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.